Birds. Many birds are domesticated. The major ones are chicken, duck, goose, and turkey, which are called poultry or fowl. Some hawks and eagles are tamed rather than domesticated. They are great hunters, and we occasionally see them on TV and watch how they catch small animals. When a prey is spotted, the master releases the bird so that the bird can fly away and dives on its prey. In the autumn, many birds leave the places where they were born and bred and return in the spring. They are called migratory birds. Birds do a great deal of damage to the crops and vegetables, but they give us a lot of pleasure. Small perching birds, usually with dull colors, have beautiful songs. The songs of larks and nightingales are very much admired. That's all. Thank you for listening. Bye.